Hi friends, this is Dr. Alok Patel from Mission Health Homeopathy. Today I am going to telling you a case of a very violent cough. Actually the case this case is actually my own child was suffering from very bad kind of cough. After prescribing 3 or 4 remedy, but I couldn't get any result. Actually the case was that when my baby was coughing, especially after drinking milk, after feeding, after lying down, aggravated at night, and he vomit out cough during while coughing. Very violent cough, very bad kind of cough. He was coughing. So I prescribed initially I prescribed Coccus cacti. Coccus cacti, as I have mentioned in my previous video of Coccus cacti. Coccus cacti is very wonderful remedy for the very all cough, especially cough produce vomiting. So this remedy I have selected, and I always wonder with that this remedy, because this remedy act very wonderful, always act, but it takes time because the this is not the mental prescription. This is based on especially over the pathological state of the patient, as when you read through the materia medicas about the Coccus cacti. Coccus cacti is especially acting on the larynx mucous membrane, where the lots of mucus adhere to the throat, and which creates cough. So after drinking cold sweet milk, it creates lots of mucus secretion in the throats, which creates cough. So Coccus cacti always works, but not immediately. It takes time, 2 or 3 days, to remove completely cough. So my child was suffering very this kind of cough. I when I at night I slept, but I wake up because of my child was coughing very badly, and he couldn't sleep, and weeping, and vomit out lots of vomiting. So what I was thinking that what should I do at that time immediately, so which can stop immediately. So I gave Montec LC syrup. I thought that it can act much better than our homeopathy. So at least to prevention, to to provide the good result immediately, I provide this 3 ml Montelukast syrup, but couldn't do anything. So I observed, I wake up from the sleep and I observed how my child is coughing. So this prescription absolutely based on my observation. So dear friends, in our homeopathy, every day we will do something miracle, and every day we see our medicine is more than magic, beyond the magic. So you understand that actually this science, but how to practice this science, this is our art in homeopathy. I observe this, my child is coughing, and while coughing, even he's sleeping and coughing, while he coughing, he involuntary his hand, he putting his hand over the mouth like that. See this gesture. So I observe this gesture, and this gesture I open immediately. I open repertory, and I find out this rubric. So gesture rubric I got my in mind. Gesture makes involuntary hand to the mouth. Very interesting. Only I got two remedio here, Nux vomica and Glonoine. So Nux vomica also covers different modalities like lying down, aggravation, cough after drinking, aggravation, cough creates vomiting. So all three to four rubrics and covering, and along with this gesture, hand makes involuntary to the mouth. So I gave Nux vomica 30 immediately state dose. After giving this dose, my baby slept very well, and whole night he didn't cough at all. And after and second day he didn't cough, and few bouts of cough also there. 3 to 4 days, very less cough. And after giving, but after repeating 30, it is not finishing, reduced much better, but not completely cured. But I again, I prescribed before this, before prescribing 200, I gave in water doses of Nux vomica, but no, but improved, but not completely cured. So I gave 201 dose. After giving 200 dose, no cough at all. So my friends, in homeopathy, if you are going through the mind, your approach to the remedy through the mind rubric, through the understanding of your mind of the patient, you will definitely, you will crack any kind of cases very fast. So pathological prescription also worked, mental prescription also worked, particular prescription also works everything. But what our demand is very fast result. So fast, in many cases we have to take time, but in some cases we have to cure very fast, and also our remedy act also very fast. So through our observation we can do such kind of miracle. So only one dose Nux vomica did this, immediately stopped his cough, and slept well. So this is my sharing about Nux vomica and its case regarding cough. So please share my videos, like and comment. Thank you.